So I'm gonna be doing some stuff to this Dodge Ram. Just some cosmetic changes. What we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna be putting some fender flares on here, and we're not gonna be making any holes. We're just gonna be I'll show you later on. The flares are gonna bolt up to where the wheel well goes. So basically wherever there's screws here, there's one. There's the other ones. There's another hole there. And they're gonna mount up with those screws. We're gonna do that. Also, on the front of the truck, it's a little bit lower than the back as far as the lift. So we're gonna put some spacers on the front. That way it jacks it up a little bit and make it look even. Another thing, we have this LED light bar. We were testing it out, but that's also gonna go on the truck. So I'll show you the rest of the parts once we get them set up and how they go on to the truck. And let me show you the fender flares. Alright, so these are the fender flares. It's got like a matte black finish, if you like the plastic flare. And this is where I was telling you guys that that's gonna bolt on to the wheel well. And on this outer edge, we're gonna put some of this. It slides into here, and that's to keep it from hitting on the fender. So it's gonna go all around the edge, this part right here. It comes with this roll, this hardware that goes on the bottom, where I tell you it's gonna bolt onto the wheel well. More hardware that goes up top here. It's basically just for show. So how that works is it slides in here, and then the nut goes to the back to hold it. That way it looks like it's bolted on to the fender. These are the other ones that comes in. The company that we got them from, it's called Tiger. TigerAuto.com. So weren't bad. How much were they? You don't remember? Well, you can check online, Tiger.com, and type in your year, make and model, and see how much they are for your car. See, that's basically how they go. You tighten them up, and that goes on each hole. That way it looks like you bolted it onto the fender. Yeah, this is not the only thing we're gonna do to the truck. We also got, the truck is kind of low on the front end, so we're gonna be putting these spacers, pick up the truck from the front end a little bit more. We have what's this? A bumper guard. We can get to that once we put the fender flares first. I can open and unbox that. We're also gonna put an LED bar. It's outside. I'll show you guys when we go out there again. But yeah, we're gonna be putting some stuff on the truck. Just some other stuff that needs to be fixed. So this is basically what it's going to look like with all the screws on there already. All I have to do is tighten these and then take the other screws off and mount it to where the wheel well goes. So we got one of the fender flares ready. We just need to tighten these screws. And we also put the rubber inline here all around this edge, so that way when you put it onto the truck, that part doesn't scratch up the paint. You see, this is the passenger side. I'll show you how this looks. So mainly this is gonna go, let's see, like that. See, right now I'm just holding it, but that's basically what it's gonna look like. We just need to secure it from the bottom, and that is what I was talking about as far as it not hitting the paint. It's gonna protect it. So all we have to do is put the mounting screws here, there, all around the wheel well. We should be good. I'm gonna go work on that and then I'll show you how it looks at the end. So that's what the truck looked like, guys. Took us a while to get it installed, but I mean, it's pretty easy. It looks flush. This is the back. And that's all you need to use, just the original screws for the fender well. So once we start putting all the other stuff, I'll show you some video for that. The LED light bar. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet, but and then also the bumper guard. Alright.